Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Mineta, and I hope you all doing great. We are starting our TechTalk series from today, and our topic is nanoengineering, a fair share in biomedical engineering. Before I begin, I want to recall you that this live broadcast is brought to you by BlogTalkRadio. You know the best part of radio podcast? Ease of listening. Yes, you can listen to us anytime, anywhere, and a recording will be available in case if you miss the live broadcasts. So continuing with our today's topic, technology is evolving every day, and if we don't keep pace with it, we are lagging behind others. Now we see many allied engineering disciplines that sprang during the last few decades. Like now you can get an engineering degree in automobile, mining, manufacturing, process engineering, genetic engineering, nanoengineering, and biomedical engineering itself, which is a topic of our today's discussion. It is very important to understand that when you introduce such advanced engineering programs, you fully comprehend its allied nature. From my experience in our academic setup, there is a lack of understanding and awareness of allied engineering disciplines. The accreditation bodies fail to acknowledge the type of educational framework required to teach allied courses. And I found them adherent to outdated policies applicable to conventional core engineering disciplines like civil, electrical, mechanical, computer, and electronics. And to teach allied courses, you actually need faculty from allied background. So maybe I'm wrong, there might be updated policies, but we don't know its existence technically because of a lack of awareness or maybe compliance. Sometimes there are practices that become a policy, and if you try to dig reality, you won't find it in documents. So what I'm trying to say, compliance is the key because it makes a huge impact on the quality of engineers we produce annually from HEIs. So that was all about policy and compliance to teach allied courses. Coming back to the topic, nanoengineering, a fair share in biomedical engineering. So during the past couple of months, I had an experience of interacting with biomedical engineers who have been working in academia, hospitals, and in medical device manufacturing companies as service engineers. And what I observed is their understanding of subjects of experience they had in past, and there is a lack of awareness and a bit of reluctance to acknowledge how new technologies are replacing the conventional tools and methods. I think it's probably because there is an absence of realization how allied biomedical program is, and how interdisciplinary research work is improving quality of medical devices every day. And one possible reason is that this attitude is inherited from the type of the faculty who taught them during 4 years of biomedical engineering program. Nanoengineering is a specialized field of materials engineering and the cutting-edge technology we are using today in medical device manufacturing. It actually stands on the shoulders of nanoengineering, be it diagnostic, therapeutic, imaging, assisted robotic surgery, rehab engineering. You pick up a domain of biomedical engineering and you will find nanoengineering in there. I had a strong background of biotechnology and biomedical, and I knew the importance of nanoengineering when I chose to do a doctorate degree in it. My research work was on developing photonic materials for clinical lab, and I was able to finish it because right from the beginning I had this attitude of interdisciplinary research, which unfortunately a pedagogue from old times lacked it. So coming to the applications of nanoengineering in biomedical research area, from developing contrast agent for your imaging modalities to designing metamaterial-based receivers for ultra-high frequency MRI, your fiber bridge technology and CD for image acquisition and optical data transmission. In all of these domain, you need assistance of nanoengineering because it gives precision, accuracy, and reliability to your technology that you're using for medical application. You can design bioactive prosthetic devices using nanoengineering methods. A magnetic hyperthermia-based cancer treatment is in realm of nanoengineering. It's actually the nanofabrication technique that allows you to synthesize materials at nano level for targeted drug delivery applications. There is a huge application of a stimuli responsive material, and it actually, again, in nanoengineering that enables you to design such materials. Scintillators you use now, or the conventional ones, are replaced by nanoscintillators that gives you, faster decay time and better sensitivity. And my favorite domain where you can apply nanoengineering is diagnostics. The emerging POC devices, which are now commercially available as well, and they're very convenient, handy, portable, and allows outpatient or pre-hospital care. The wearable electronics you wear for your vital monitoring, they all are the product of nanoelectronics. So you can't deny the role that nanoengineering is playing in bringing improvement and quality of conventional biomedical instruments. It's a high time that commissioners and counselors create awareness among academicians regarding significance of advanced allied engineering courses and its faculty. With this, I end our today's session, and I'll be discussing more about applications of nanoengineering in biomedical research in our upcoming podcast, so stay tuned. For right now, goodbye, and I wish you all a very happy working